In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Wix Apps. Wix Apps are tools you can add to your website to give it extra features, such as bookings, forms, online chat, events, stores, and many other useful functions. The process is simple, but it helps to move through it carefully so you can install the right app, review its permissions, and make sure it looks good on your site before publishing. To begin, log into your Wix dashboard. This is the main control center for your Wix website. After signing in, make sure you are viewing the correct website if you manage more than one site in your account. The dashboard is where you can access your site settings, apps, marketing tools, and other management options. Once you are in the dashboard, look at the left sidebar. Find the Apps tab and click on it. From there, select App Market. This will open the Wix App Market, where you can browse all available apps that can be added to your website. The App Market is organized to help you find tools based on what you want your website to do. Now you can search for the app you need. If you already know the name of the app, use the search bar and type it in. If you are not looking for a specific app, you can browse through the available categories. These categories help narrow down your options, so you can find apps for things like customer interaction, selling products, collecting leads, managing bookings, or improving site functionality. Take a moment to review the app before installing it. You can usually see a description of what the app does, what features it includes, and how it may work with your site. This is helpful because some apps are designed for specific purposes, and choosing the correct one will make the setup process much easier later. When you have found the app you want to use, click Add to Site. This begins the installation process. Wix will add the app to your website or dashboard, depending on how that specific app works. Some apps appear directly as widgets on your site pages, while others mainly live inside your dashboard for management and configuration. After clicking Add to Site, you may be asked to grant permissions. Review the permission prompt carefully, then grant the necessary permissions to continue. These permissions allow the app to connect with the parts of your Wix site it needs in order to function properly. For example, an app may need access to site content, customer interactions, or other related website tools. Once approved, Wix will complete the installation. After the app has been added, you can open it from the prompt by clicking Open App. You can also return to your dashboard and click Manage, depending on what appears for that app. This is where you configure the app settings. The settings will vary depending on the app you installed, but this area is usually where you adjust how the app behaves, what information it collects, what features are active, and how it connects to your website. Next, if the app includes a visible widget or element on your website, you can customize how it appears on the page. Open your Wix editor so you can see your site visually, find the app widget on the page, then click on it. Once selected, choose Settings or Layout. These options let you control the app's appearance and placement, depending on what the app supports. Use the settings available to make the app fit the style and structure of your website. You may be able to adjust layout options, display preferences, spacing, or other visual details. The goal is to make sure the app is not only functional, but also looks natural as part of your website design. When you are satisfied with the app settings and appearance, click Publish. Publishing makes your changes live on your website, so visitors can see and use the app. If you do not publish, the changes may remain only inside the editor and will not appear on the live version of your site. That covers everything you need to know. You can now install Wix apps, configure their settings, customize how they appear on your site, and publish the changes when you are ready.